continuity. What is principle of continuity? Suppose a liquid is flowing through this tube having non-uniform cross-sectional area. No, here suppose cross-sectional area is A1 and the liquid is flowing with V1 velocity. It is passing through this point with V1. And suppose the cross-sectional area at this point is A2 and the liquid is flowing through this point with velocity V2. So according to this principle, volume of liquid passing through any transverse cross section of the tube in unit time is always constant. Means if the cross sectional area is A1, no, here, so in 1 second this liquid will cover how much distance in forward direction? V1. So the volume of the liquid flown in 1 second will be A1 V1. And here what is the volume of the liquid flown in 1 second? A2 V2. So according to this principle, at every transverse cross section of the tube, the product of cross sectional area and velocity of the flow of the liquid is constant. So what we can write? AV is always constant, or from here we conclude that V is inversely proportional to cross sectional area. Okay. If the suppose if we consider the flow of any river and if the depth is more, if the depth of the river is more, then what is more? Cross sectional area is more. If A is more, V is less. That's why the river having more depth, they run, all the rivers having more depth, they will run with less velocity. So according to principle of continuity, velocity of the flow is inversely proportional to cross sectional area, or you can write AV is always constant. And if, as I told you, this is the volume of the liquid flown in 1 second, and if we multiply this volume with density, what we get? Mass. So according to this principle, we can say that mass liquid cannot be accumulated at particular place. What is entering into the tube, the same amount will come out of the tube. So we can write like this also. A1 V1 rho equals to A2 V2 rho. Rho is the density of the liquid, or we can say M1 equals to M2. So according to principle of continuity, we can say that mass cannot be accumulated at any point of the tube. Whatever liquid is entering into the tube, the same amount will come out of the tube from the other end.